What's up, everyone? I've converted my van into the ultimate adventure rig, which allows me to bring you all with me to explore some of the most epic mountain bike trails around the world. Today, we are heading to Crested Butte out here in Colorado. This is said to be one of the most beautiful places ever, and we're about to find out if that's true.
All right, so we made it to Crested Butte. I'm a little lost, but I can see Maddie from a distance. How do I get to you? I think this might be the way. I found Maddie.
How was it?
I got Madison and Jared, two other friends sleeping in this cute little Airbnb. I'll be in the parking lot in the van. I stopped at Whole Foods before leaving. Got some good old sushi.
Jealous. I want sushi so bad. Whole Foods sushi's the best.
Whole Foods sushi really is the best.
I got new
We're out here with the man.
Can you believe it?
I cannot.
Believe it?
I cannot. We're gonna explore the beautiful mountain of Crested Butte. Crazy.
Cheers.
Ding. The boys, are you guys ready?
Are you kidding? I was ready since 6. Yeah.
Clearly.
Beautiful. Thank you. Oh yeah, first chairlift of the year, guys. Woo!
Good, really good, yeah. These suspenders.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, well, unfortunately, a lot are closed. But we're gonna find some other good ones.
We're gonna find some open.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Oh yeah! What's happening, Jason? You got too much padding.
See, it's got a pad right here.
At least you're protected. Woo! Oh yeah! All right, well, we rode for a few hours. We're taking a little break on this beautiful day out here in Crested Butte. So pretty.
I think we're good. Thank you.
All right. If there's anything else,
Look
just
at that.
Thank you.
The only place open here. And we're having nachos.
The adults are having margaritas. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm having soda water. Cheers, guys.
So lame. Cheers.
All right, just finished a good old lunch. We're going back up. One of my favorite ones so far, guys. Twisted trees. Oh, tree! Twisted tree. Woo! Oh boy! Woo! Woo!
All right, Heather, let's see your line. Give me the good line. Dang, that was a good line. Yeah, that one. there.
This is the rocky section that we've been lapping, just trying to find all different types of lines. One of my favorite sections. What a day. Right in the middle of downtown. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. We're about to get some good dinner tonight. Secret Stash pizza place. If only you can smell how good it is in here.
Jason's jumped in the whole thing. Woo! Oh my geez. Gotta really dig for these jumps.
For some strange reason, there's a jump right before this wall ride that has been in my head this entire trip.
You got this!
Maddie's been telling me to just do it.
Yeah, it's super easy. Riding up to it is a little bit intimidating.
I don't know, something about it was very intimidating. I couldn't do it.
If you come up short, it will spring you to flat and you will get hurt.
Yeah.
So that's why it's so intimidating, but you just can't think about that. It's a small jump.
Yeah. Yeah! I did it! Yeah, Maddie! Heck yeah! Yes! I did it! What the heck? Why was that so scary? Oh man! Oh, I just made my day. I'm so excited I finally got that. That makes this entire last little section of the trail so much smoother, so much easier. And now I can finally enjoy this wall ride.
Do you believe you did that wall ride before the jump?
That's how mental these things are. Like, we can do bigger jumps than that, but we just sometimes just get in our head and get a little scared. Well, our time here at Crested Butte has come to an end. We are smoked. Sad to leave this beautiful place. Look at that. My goodness. Nothing like some good leftover pizza from the night before after a big day of riding. You're so cute. Jason's car is so nice. Also, this is Jared's new truck. Very beautiful setup. And here I am making a yogurt parfait. All right, everybody, it's been real.
Bye. Love you.
Bye. Bye, Jared. Bye, Jason.
Hey, take care. Be careful.
You too.
See you soon.
So messy right now. I cannot wait to shower. This is what an entire day of riding at Crested Butte does to you. My hair is a disaster, but you know what? I'm just happy to be here with all of you. All right, we're gonna try and find a place to stay for the night. So, made it to the Cottonwood Pass, Continental Divide. This family over here is super dedicated. They just climbed up this entire mountain. It's pretty steep too. Well, this is definitely not a spot I can stay at. So the search continues. There, from the highway, I saw beautiful Whole Foods. I'm gonna grab some dinner here. So usually I always cook, but it's been a long day. And there's something about Whole Foods sushi that is just unreal. I got this one and a little salad with some little potatoes. I'm actually super full with the salad, so I'm gonna save this for a little later. Also, yes, painter's tape to keep the fridge closed. If anybody has any other options or suggestions, please comment below. It got super late and I'm heading to a place called Peak One. I camped here a couple days ago, and all the spots were taken, and the one spot that I camped in last time was open. It's like it's meant to be. So I pulled in, and it's raining, but it's peaceful rain. That rain is peaceful. Okay, see you in the morning. It is the morning. Let's see the view. Wow. All right, so what I've always feared has happened. I pulled up last night super late into this spot. I also might add, I did not pay last night because it was so dark and it was really late. So I figured I'm just gonna run in the morning to this spot to pay, which I am here now. This morning I woke up, I scrambled. I woke up to one of these signs on my car. I mean, look, I don't like breaking rules. Nobody likes getting in trouble. And I got one of these. And then the sign that usually doesn't say occupied said occupied. So someone's coming in today. I ended up leaving the campsite. I came to Silverthorn. There's a coffee shop that I really like there. But first, I'm gonna make some breakfast. The waffles came out so cute. They're like little pumpkins. You ready for it? Ooh. If only you can taste that. Ah, so good. Wow. Amazing breakfast. Now time for the cleanup. All right, we're headed to the coffee shop now. Good news, we made it to the coffee shop. I'm gonna work for a few hours and then I'm not sure what we're gonna have time for. The day's probably gonna be gone, but we're probably gonna have to figure out where we're gonna sleep tonight, so welcome to van life.